The day the new playground opened in Sunny Forest, every little animal felt a flutter in their tummy. Benny the bunny hid behind a slide because he didn't know anyone. Leo the lion cub sat on a bench with the grumpiest face in the world. Gina the giraffe stretched her long neck high so no one would talk to her. Ella the elephant clutched her crayons and stayed under the shady tree, too shy to draw where anyone could see. Then a small, brave voice rang out, "Hi, I'm Sara the Squirrel, who wants to play on the brand new twirly slide." Nobody answered. Everyone felt too shy. Sara took a deep breath, remembered something her grandma once told her, and decided to try for magic tricks all at once. She hopped over to the bench first. "Hi, Leo," she said with the biggest, sunniest smile she could grow. Leo's grumpy face melted like ice cream. He had never heard anyone say his name so happily, and he had never seen such a warm smile. He smiled back his very first smile of the day. Next, Sara scampered to the slide. "Hi, Benny." She called Sara, still smiling and using his name just the way he liked. Benny's ears perked up. You know my name." "Of course I do, Benny. Want to climb the slide with me?" Benny hopped out from hiding, giggling. Then Sara spotted the long neck above the crowd. "Gina," she shouted cheerfully, "I love how tall you are. Can you see the whole playground from up there?" Gina bent down, surprised and happy that someone noticed something special about her. Sara did not talk about herself at all. She just listened while Gina told her about every swing, slide, and merry-go-round she could see. Gina's heart felt light, like she had drunk a whole jar of honey. Finally, Sara saw Ella under the tree. A colorful drawing had fallen from Ella's trunk. Sara picked it up and gasped. "Ella, this rainbow is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Look at the purple, it sparkles like grapes. And the yellow is exactly like sunshine." Ella's big ears turned pink with joy. For the first time, she held up her picture proudly. Within minutes, something magical happened. Leo's smile spread to Benny. Benny's happy hops made Gina laugh. Gina's kind listening made Ella feel brave. And Ella's beautiful pictures made everyone cheer. Sara stood in the middle, still smiling, still saying everyone's names, still listening, still praising. One by one, the animals ran to her, not because she was loud or bossy, but because she made every single one of them feel special and important. By sunset, the whole playground was one big circle of friends holding paws, wings, tails, and trunks, singing, "Say their name, give a smile, listen well, walk a mile, spot the good, shout it loud, watch the friends come in a crowd." And that is how little Sara the squirrel, with just 4 simple tricks, a name, a smile, good listening, and honest praise turned a quiet new playground into the happiest forest the world had ever seen.